How to check order history on Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to guide you through the process of checking your previous orders in Uber Eats application. It's really quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that the Uber Eats application is installed in your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. So first, launch the application. And once you're on the home page, first, we'll need to begin by clicking on the Account tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. This is an essential step as it will lead us to the next portion of the process. Once you're in the Accounts section, take a moment to find the Orders option, or you can just directly click on the Order option that is between the Browse and Account option. Tap on it. When you click on that, you should see a comprehensive list of all the orders you have placed previously. It's really straightforward, and that's all there is to it to this video. I hope you found this information helpful and enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, I would greatly appreciate if you could consider subscribing to our channel, and also feel free to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comment section below.